I want to give back at the same time. I want to guide and make sure that they are knowing what they are learning is actually useful for them.
I actually started this company almost from nothing. So basically I bootstrapped to this point in my life. So I do have quite a lot to share, especially in ways of how you can actually start your own business and stuff. So hopefully you can inspire more people to do a change in this world. Yeah.
As a business owner, we are always looking for talents. So NYP is actually known to groom new talents and talented individuals, right? So we actually want to make use of this collaboration to get to know them, and hopefully they can actually join us.
The whole collaboration could actually help students with more exposure to industrial project, as well as to learn about the industrial expectations.